Stevens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone's well today. First of all, I'd like to apologise to you guys for not having posted a video in a little while. For those of you who are my followers on Instagram or even friends with myself or Darcy on Facebook, you will have seen that Darcy was really sick recently. He's okay now. I am going to do a video about that in the next few days, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, unfortunately Darcy was really sick, so I haven't been on YouTube. But he's better now, everything is going okay, he's recovering quite well, so I'm back here to do videos for you guys, hopefully on a regular basis. So tonight I would love to show you guys how to access YouTube with Voiceover on the iPhone. What I'm going to cover is how you subscribe to a channel, how you scroll through the channel's videos, and then how you comment on a video. Tonight I will be using the channel Fathering Autism for this video. If you guys want to check out Fathering Autism's channel, I will link it in the description below. They are a gorgeous family from, now let me get this right, Jacksonville, which I believe is in Florida. I don't know a lot about America, so correct me if I'm wrong, guys. And they have a gorgeous young daughter whose name is Abigail, who is nonverbal autistic, and they do lots of really great, interesting videos talking about how they manage with Abigail and how they've helped her and their autism journey. So they are a really great family, and yeah, so check their channel out in the description below. So I'm just going to get started. Tonight I'll be using my iPhone 10 for this video, and I will unfortunately not be able to show you the screen, only because I'm not sure how to line it up into the frame very easily and hold it in a position that is comfortable for me. So I will try and do that, but unfortunately if I stuff it up, I'm very sorry. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wake it up. As you can see, I've gone onto my home screen, and I'm just going to use Face ID to unlock it. So now it's unlocked. I'm going to go into my home screen,
Apple folder, 6 apps.
And you can see all of my apps. So instead of just using my fingers to find the YouTube app, I'm just going to ask Siri to open it for me. So I'm going to say, open YouTube. And she has done so. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the search button, and I'm in that search field. So I'm just going to use dictation to say Fathering Autism, and it will put that text into the text box, and I'm just going to search. Okay, so it's brought up a list of possible answers to my search query.
Fathering Autism, heading, clear search, button, cast, refine. Fathering Autism, 114k subscribers, 526 videos. Button.
So that is the first thing that comes up. Fathering Autism, 114k subscribers, 500 and however many she said videos. So I'm going to double tap on that.
Back, button.
So that has gone into
Cast, button.
their channel's kind of homepage.
Video, button, search,
So
button.
what I'm going to do
Actions, selected.
is I'm going to
Video,
subscribe to
tab
the
2
channel
of 6,
first.
playlists, tab-
I unfortunately had to unsubscribe to resubscribe, so that was a bit annoying.
Fathering Autism,
So I'm going to go to where it
114,394.
says Fathering
Actions
Autism and the number of subscribers that they have, and I'm just going to flick down with one finger,
Subscribes to this channel.
and it says subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to double tap, and
Tap the bell to receive notifications about all new videos.
it has done that. So I'm going to
Tap the bell to receive
tap
Tap the bell to receive Autism potty training
that
vertical
thing
line
there where it said tap the bell to receive notifications. So I've done that.
Playlists.
So
Tab
now
community channels.
I
About.
should
Tap
get
Fathering Autism 114,394.
notifications.
Unsubscribes from current settings
Yes.
for occasional notifications.
I should
to
get
change your
notifications for the channel. But as it just said, current setting is for occasional notifications. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap.
You'll receive all notifications button.
And I'm going to double tap again on where it says you'll receive all notifications.
You'll receive all back button.
So how I got to that was just once again by flicking down until it said
Fathering Autism. Unsubscribes from current settings for all notifications.
current setting is for all notifications, and that's what you want to know when they upload all of their different videos. So now you can go through and flick left to right with one finger to look at their videos that they've got up. So it'll first of all show you sort of their most popular videos, and then it will show you their most recent videos in order.
Getting to know us, ellipsis, your facts, fathering autism, 39,500 popular uploads, heading.
Okay.
Autism potty training vertical line, how to potty train, autism meltdown environment vertical line, blood and gagging, ellipsis, autism early years, our story of how we, first day of school for autistic girl vertical, autism, puberty and how we are going, she stole my food vertical line autism, DIY sensory,
So that's
autism meltdown in public, she choked vertical line autism, she ran from me and had a public, back to school autism, view 100 plus more, autistic stimming, this is.
So they are all of their popular uploads and things like that. So I'm going to go into the subscriptions tab, which is the bottom tab on in the middle. Yes, the middle bottom tab, and I'm going to double tap that.
Button. Here, Lucy's story. Alfred help.
And
Content filter
I'm
options.
going to
Here,
find
Lucy's story.
the most recent Fathering Autism video,
She wrecks the house. Fathering autism.
which is called She Wrecks the House. I'm going to double tap on that. I'm going to watch that, and then later on I'm going to comment on that. So I've just finished watching the most recent vlog, and I am going to put a comment on the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find
This will make you smile. Fathering autism.
the middle of the screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe up with 3 fingers.
Page 2 of 12. Page 3 of 12.
I'm going to do that a couple of
What's the right to be the
times
yellow wiggle? Page comments 268.
until I find where it says comments and the number of comments. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick down again with 1 finger until it says add a public comment.
Saw comments. Add a public comment.
Okay, and I'm going to double tap on that.
Text field is editing.
So then that just brings up a text field for you to type in your public comment. There are many different ways that you can type using an iPhone with Voiceover. You can type by putting your finger on the keyboard and double tapping each letter. You can type by putting your finger on the keyboard, scrolling until you find the letter you want, and then lifting your finger. You can type by just tapping on the screen where you think the letter you require is. You can use dictation, or you can use a thing called Braille screen input, which is where the screen brings up some imaginary, I suppose you call, or like a virtual Braille keyboard, and you type using Braille contractions on the screen, and then when you're done, it converts those Braille letters that you have put into that text box into normal print. So that is the way that I usually write long stuff, because I'm a much quicker Braille writer than I am a virtual keyboard writer. So what you do to get to the Braille screen input
Text field
is you select the text, you put your finger on the text field, your 1 finger on the text field,
Text field.
you
Handwriting.
then use the
Lowercase
rotor
letters. Text
until you
lines.
get to
Text
Braille
box.
screen
Hidden range.
input.
Text containers. Text headings. Text Braille screen input. Landscape.
So when
Tabletop
you
bar.
are on Braille screen input, you need to put your phone on your lap or the table in front of you so that it is around the right way, with dot 6 underneath your right ring finger and dot 3 underneath your left ring finger. To do a backspace, delete the previous word, you do a 2-finger swipe to the left. To go to a new line, you do a 2-finger swipe to the right. To go to delete the last character, you do 1-finger swipe to the left, and to press a space bar, you do a 1-finger swipe to the right. So I'm going to write my comment now. Just entered my comment into the text field, and what I'm going to do to return to the normal mode of the screen is I'm going to do a gesture that I'm not really sure how to describe. You kind of have to start from the right of the screen with 2 fingers and do sort of a circle in the middle of the screen, and then it will go back to what it was like before.
Portrait.
So as you heard, it just said portrait. So now it is back to the normal layout of the screen. So when you have finished writing your comment,
Return.
it will have
Return.
an unlabeled button,
Button.
which is actually how you delete your comment and you go back to the start without posting your comment.
Mel Stevens.
It will then say your name.
Text field is editing. It seems like carpet cleaning is the thing this week. I had to get my carpets cleaned after Darcy, my guide dog, was sick this week. It's lovely having a nice clean house. Insertion point at end.
So that's the comment that I'm going to post, and then I'm just going to swipe right with 1 finger to post that comment.
Send comment. Button. Send comment. In progress. Comment at cast. Add to.
So
button.
guys, that's how you do that part. There isn't really anything else much that I can explain to you guys about YouTube. On the iPhone,
68.
I think subscribing and commenting are probably the 2 most important things that you'll be needing to do. So I'm going to finish this video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you learned something. I will just say that I did tell Priscilla, who is the mother from Fathering Autism, that I was intending to do this video, but it's not sponsored in any way by them or anything like that. So thank you guys for letting me use your channel as an example in this video, and I hope that any of you who are new to my channel remember to subscribe, click the bell notifications, and enjoy my content learning all about blindness. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.